and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Amanda and I'm so glad that you're here. If your video footage looks a little bit different today, it's because I'm shooting on my G7X instead of my Canon T7i because that battery is charging right now and I need to film this video. So hopefully the quality is still as good as it normally is. So let's go ahead and jump into today's video. We are going to be doing our Boxycharm unboxing. So you guys know I have been doing Boxycharm for over 2 years and I really like Boxycharm. So I just got my Boxycharm in the mail. This one is $21 a month. You get 5 full-size items in here. So let's go ahead and check and see what we got in this box. The theme of the box, we always get a little card in here. So the theme of this box says peace, love, and boxy. And then it has like little cactuses on it. That's kind of cute. And then on the back, it actually lists all the products and the prices on here, but we're not going to look at that yet because we want to be surprised, right? I actually didn't look at any spoilers this month or anything, so we are finding out together what's inside this Boxycharm box. So the first thing I'm seeing in here is called Star Looks. I believe it is a eyeliner, which I'm not really a fan of like the pencil eyeliners. I like gel ones, but we're gonna give it a shot. So it is the Star Looks Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. The intensely pigmented formula in your new Star Looks Cosmetics Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil delivers a beautiful color that lasts all day. The easy to extend and retract pen makes application and continuous use seamlessly easy without ever having to use a pencil sharpener. Oh, that's good. It's retractable, so you don't have to use an actual pencil sharpener. It says the MSRP on this is $19, and I'm guessing that it's in black. So, it doesn't say. It says Celestial. Not sure what that means, but we will try this on at the end of the video. So the next thing I see in here is Artist Couture, which I believe we've actually had some of this before, this brand. Diamond Glow Powder. I feel like I already have this. What is the deal with this? Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. This all-natural, vegan, and cruelty-free loose powder highlight can be used on the eyes, lips, face, and body. The versatile formula is highly pigmented and suitable for all skin tones. Create a subtle, luminous finish or layer on for an unreal glow. MSRP is $27. I'm pretty sure I already have this, so if I do, I'm going to put this in a giveaway for you guys. So I'm not gonna like use it or anything, but if I do have it, I'll use it in the end of the video. Can't even get this open. This box hates me. So I definitely already have one like this. I don't want to use this one because I would rather give it to you guys in a giveaway, but it's called Summer Haze, and it's like kind of a, looks like a rose goldy kind of gold, like a bronzy rose gold. So I'm going to just use the one I already have in the try on portion just so you guys can see what it looks like. So the next thing I see in here is Luxie brushes. So I actually love Luxie brushes. We have gotten these quite a few times in the boxes, and so I use a lot of these brushes on a daily basis. These ones are super cute. We have 3 brushes. We have a large shader, a small shader, and a small contour. And use these 3 dazzling brushes to achieve your most enhancing makeup look. It's kind of like a gold ombre to a pink. And then it has like a really pretty like bronzy gold. I think these are called ferrules. I'm not exactly sure. That reminds me of a kitty cat. I do love the brushes. This one looks like it's going to be like a good like concealer brush to do like a cut crease. I think that would be a nice cut crease brush. And then this one, I'm not sure what I'm going to use it for. But I do like Luxie brushes. You'd never lose like any of the hairs. I've never had a problem with any of them shedding or anything. And it says that the Luxie brushes are MSRP $28. The next thing I see in here is called Christopher Buckle Cashmere Slip Longwear Lipstick. Never heard of Christopher Buckle before. And the MSRP on this is $18. Let's go ahead and open it and see. We got it in Bardot. Bardot? Not sure if that's the name of it, but we're gonna see. Ooh, that's a pretty like package, you guys. Look how cute that is. Sorry if my camera is not focusing. This camera is a little busy. But that's a really cool package. It's like this prism shape. That's cool. It reminds me of like a crystal. And then it's like a berry color. Pretty. Dusty like berry color. That's pretty. Not normally like a color I would pick. It does have a slight smell though. It doesn't smell chemically. It kind of smells like sweet a little bit. I do like the packaging though. They know I'm a sucker for packaging. The last thing that I'm seeing in here is a palette. So Boxycharm likes to send palettes. This one's from Pure Cosmetics, which I'm not a huge fan of the Pure Cosmetics palettes, but this one looks really freaking cool. So it's from Pure and it's called the Festival palette. Look at this bitchin' packaging. That's what's up. That's like boom, boom, summer, what's up? So it is the Pure Festival. Is it Festival? Yeah, Festival. This reminds me of the palette from BH Cosmetics. Festival? I think it's the Festival palette from BH Cosmetics. Pure, what you doing? You copying them. SRP on this is $36. So let's go ahead and open it up and see if we think it's worth the $36. I'm probably guessing that it's not, because I'm kind of a hater when it comes to Pure Cosmetics. Not a huge fan of their products. We've gotten a lot of things from Pure and I never actually end up using any of them. We also got in here Get a Grip Endurance Eyeshadow Primer. This is like a little sample of their eyeshadow primer. On the package, it totally looks exactly like the freaking Festival palette from BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna get that palette. Ooh, copycats. So this is the Festival palette from BH Cosmetics, and then they have a Ferris wheel on there, and then look on the back, there's a Ferris wheel and palm trees on that. They're copycats. Pure, you coming for BH Cosmetics. Oh, this actually looks really promising. I am feeling it, and look, it even has a mirror in here. That is what's up. Get it, Pure. But what's calling me? Look at this. Hold on, let me take off the little shield paper we have. These two shades that are glitter are freaking cool. Oh, it's kind of like a creamy glitter though. Oh my god, I'm excited. It's probably not gonna focus, you guys. But look, it's really glittery. That's freaking awesome. Okay, coming through Pure with the glitter pigment. Oh my god. Whoa. Okay, this palette might just be worth it just for these glitters. Actually try out these glitters at the end of this video. Actually swatch really good, you guys. So maybe this is like them stepping up their game on their eyeshadow palettes. I'm actually excited about this palette. It looks really awesome. So hopefully it's as good as it's swatching, because it's very pigmented. It actually reminds me of the BH Cosmetics palette. So good job, Pure. I'm excited to try out this palette. Let's go ahead and start with a clean face in 3, 2, 1. Ding, 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 ding. Alright guys, so it is now the next day, and we're gonna go ahead and put some makeup on this face. I already went ahead and did like the rest of my face, so it didn't take too super long to do this try on portion. Alright, so first of all, you guys saw that we got that Pure eyeshadow primer, so let's go ahead and put that eyeshadow primer on. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can see my eyes. My eyes are a little bit watery today, so we're gonna make do with that. You guys know I have very watery eyes, and that's just the way that it is. So we're going to make do with that, and I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Hello, now we're up close and personal. But yeah, my eyes are watering really bad. The only thing I have in my eyes right now is a little bit of concealer, but they're just watering like nobody's business this morning. Okay, so I just opened up the little package, and it looks kind of like a concealer, kind of. Focus, yeah, see, it looks like a little concealer. I haven't been using a primer on my lids for a while. I ran out like a year ago, and I just haven't bought more for some reason. So yeah, this is like sticky, which I like it, but hopefully it doesn't make my eyes, which are watering, way worse. Okay, so we have our eyeshadow primer on. It's not perfect, but eyeshadow's gonna cover that. We're gonna go ahead and go into the Pure Festival palette, and we're just gonna do a quick eyeshadow look. We're not gonna do anything crazy. I'm not gonna do a tutorial or anything, but I will like fast forward through it and show you guys exactly what I'm using. And then I'll give you my thoughts after I'm done. Okay guys, so this is the finished eye look right here. I think it came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with how these shadows performed. I feel like the eyeshadow primer did pretty good. I don't recommend necessarily already having concealer on your eyelids because this one is tinted as well, so I think maybe the concealer kind of made it kind of funky when I put it on. But other than that, I think it's a pretty good primer. But I really like how the glitter worked in this palette. I didn't have to use a glitter glue, which I do like. It's like kind of sticky, which is really cool. I would say that it's definitely a glitter that you put over something. It's not, I think you would have to build it up a lot in order for it to be a standalone glitter, but as like an over like shadow glitter, works really, really well. So now let's go ahead. We did get some eyeliner in this box as well. So it's called the Star Looks eyeliner. And I'm just going to, I'm not gonna do a wing or anything, but I will line my eyelids a little bit. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh, what is this? Oh, I'm not a fan. Oh my gosh. I don't wanna use this. How am I even supposed to use this? What is this? Are you guys ready for this? So I thought it was a black liner. Definitely not. So this is not gonna go with our eye look today, so we're not gonna put that on because I have things to do today. But I am like swatching it. What in the frick? Look at it. It is like a minty, like light blue, kind of shimmery shade. Very interesting. There's no way that can go with my eyeshadow look today. I don't know why they included this in here. I don't like it. That's not cool. I'll just use this on a different day. Yeah, I don't know about that. We're not putting that on our eyes today. Sorry about it, guys. We did have the brushes in there. I didn't actually use any of the brushes that came in the box, but we will use, let's see what do we have in there. We have like a little concealery brush, but I didn't do a cut crease today. We can use this one or this one maybe as like a highlighter brush because we do still have highlighter in there. Let's just use this little baby guy as a highlighter brush. This is the Artist Couture highlighter that I already had that is pretty much the exact same thing. It's just in a different color. This is in Illuminati and the other one was in Summer Haze. So I'm still gonna use this one because I do want to give you guys this one in a giveaway. So we're gonna go ahead and use this one. This is what it looks like on the brush. So let me swatch it on my hand. Very, very, very shimmery, but I like it. I feel like it hits the light so good when you have it on your cheeks. So I do like this highlighter a lot, and I'm sure the other one is pretty much the same. It's different than most highlighters that I've ever really tried, but I do like it. It gives you like a really nice, it's kind of more like a natural highlighter. It's not like boom in your face, but I feel like it totally, I don't know what I'm trying to say. I do like this highlighter. Okay, so the last thing that we have in the box is that lipstick from Christopher Buckle with the cool packaging. So let's go ahead and give that a shot. It's a little bit lighter than my normal lip color. It doesn't have like a highly offensive smell, which I like. You can tell that it has a teeny tiny little bit of a scent. All right, so that was everything that we had in this month's Boxycharm. My thoughts on this box. Not a huge fan of what we got in this box. I mean, it's all stuff that I will use, but I just didn't feel like they really knocked it out of the park this time. I don't know, normally they do like a really, really good job. I feel like this was just kind of like a blasé kind of a box, but that does happen. Not all boxes can be like, especially now that I'm getting the Boxy Luxe box, the regular Boxycharm sometimes just kind of feel like kind of sad, but I only get those ones every 3 months. I do like the palette a lot, so especially those glitter shades. If anything, I will use the glitter shades in the eyeshadow palette a lot. I think those are really cool. I think it's a great concept, and I'm excited just to use those glitters in that palette, if anything else. So I did get to try something new. Not excited about that eyeliner. I feel like it's way, way too light. It's totally not in my like comfort zone. I will try it, but not a huge fan of it. The lipstick, I really just like the packaging. The lipstick itself is not normally a color I go for. I'm not really into the whole pinks unless I'm doing a pink eyeshadow look. If I'm doing a pink eyeshadow look, then I would maybe possibly reach for this lipstick, but I don't think I'll get a whole lot of wear out of it because it's not really like a color I would normally choose. So the brushes I definitely will use. I love Luxie brushes, so I think that the palette and the brushes were worth the $21. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please go ahead and comment, like, and share this video with all of your friends so that they can come and hang out with me on my channel. We have hit 1,500 subscribers, which is really awesome. We are finally starting to really grow, and we're starting to get a lot of new people here, and it's really fun. And I'm having a lot of fun doing this, and I hope you guys are having a lot of fun with me. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Go ahead and comment down below what kind of videos you want to see next. Let me know so that I can make sure that I'm making things that you guys want to watch. Go ahead and leave your thoughts and your suggestions in the comment section below so that you guys can give me some ideas. I want to make sure that my channel is what you guys want too, because you guys are ultimately the viewers. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. And as always, remember to be your own kind of beautiful, and toodles for now.